Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and others. So let's get started. So the market is open, and as you can see, that market is right now trading at 1810. This is the current market price of gold here. Monday market. So usually we do not get to see much volatility in the first half of Monday. Right now, market trading here, and as we all know that gold has been trading in the range for quite some time, and the range is still very much valid. But surprisingly, gold tested a resistance here, and when I was sleeping, gold was trying to go up, and it tested a resistance of 1814 level. 1814 level, and as I said, that 1814 to 1817 will be acting as resistance, and yes, the level is still very much valid because market tried to go up but failed. Okay, and there was strong price rejection from above. So as a result, we got the confirmation that this is a very much strong resistance for the market. So 1814 to 1817 is still a very strong resistance. If market goes up and if we see buying pressure at this particular level, we can take a sell position again. On the other hand, the support levels on a gold are still the same. The 1792 is a level minor support for the market. Then we have got 1790 to 88 as a good support. Then we have the ultimate support at 1780 to 1781. And to be honest, this is a full support zone for the market. Okay, so see, right now I'm just giving you the levels here, so that because for scalping purpose, for day trading purpose, if you see price rejection from these levels, you can take the buy position. But if we look at the overall picture, then this is a full buying zone for the market here. Okay, this is a full buyer zone here, so buyers are present here. So this is a whole support zone and is a resistance zone for the market. So gold is trading in a range, resistance at the top, support at the bottom, and if market comes down to support level, there's a good possibility that 1792 or 1790 market will be bouncing. And in case if we see market breaking the resistance also, then wait for some time and see, do not buy immediately. Okay, for let's say by during the US session, market crosses the resistance level. Okay, the market crosses the resistance level and we see that gold is trying to scale up. Okay, wait for some time. That can be a stop loss hunting as well, because stop loss hunting is very much real in the market. So wait for some time and just see whether the breakout is true or not, because false breakouts are very dangerous. Let's say you see that market has crossed the resistance and market going up, and you take a buy position immediately, but after some time you see that price is being rejected from above and ultimately market forms a shooting star pattern. This is very common in the market, and for that, waiting for some time is extremely important. So as of now, this is a valid resistance for the market, and market will have to struggle to cross this level, and hopefully we will get to take a sell position if market reverses from the resistance level here. And on the other hand, as I said, we have got multiple support levels here and support zone here. Okay, so let's see how the market goes, how where the market moves. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow again.